Toyota just built a 641 horsepower twin-turbo V8 hybrid supercar for $225,000. And here's the weird part. They keep saying "or greater" after every number. Most companies round down. Toyota's rounding up. 641 horsepower or greater, 627 pound-feet of torque or greater, 199 miles per hour, top speed or greater. They're basically telling you this thing is going to be faster than advertised. Here's what nobody's talking about. This isn't some limited production special like the LFA. This is a full production supercar sold through Lexus dealers, built to fight the Mercedes AMG GT and Porsche 911 GT3 for half the price. The engine is a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 with an electric motor sandwiched into the 8-speed automatic. Hot V turbo layout. Dry sump lubrication. Rear-mounted transaxle connected by a carbon fiber torque tube. This is race car engineering in a street car, and it weighs 3,858 pounds or less. Toyota won't commit to final numbers because they're still shaving weight. The chassis is full aluminum with carbon fiber body panels, double wishbone suspension at all four corners, carbon ceramic brakes, Michelin Pilot Sport Cup, 2 tires developed specifically for this car, and it launches late 2026. But here's what makes this insane. Toyota built this alongside the GR GT3 race car. Same engineers, same philosophy. You're basically buying a detuned race car for the street. Speaking of race cars, next time we're looking at something even more extreme. A street-legal track weapon that's banned in 3 countries. You need to see why. Drop a comment if you'd actually daily drive this beast. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.